Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Apple wants to buy Perplexity AI to make Siri smarter, because clearly, sorry, I didn't get that, wasn't cutting it.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Meh.
This is Apple's way of saying, we're behind on AI, so let's throw money at the smart kid.
Everybody say make money, money, make money, money, money.
But Perplexity comes with legal drama, so this might be less of a glow-up and more of a courtroom crossover. Either way, Siri's about to start answering questions with receipts.
Keep your receipts.
This is Apple's version of cheating on a test. Just copy the smartest kid in class and hope no one notices. Elon Musk's chatbot, Grok, is learning how to work with spreadsheets. Yeah, soon your AI can help with budgets, charts, and whatever pivot table means.
I don't know what that means.
It's part of Elon's plan to make Grok compete with tools like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Basically, Grok went from telling jokes to doing your taxes. Just don't be surprised if it starts asking for a raise.
I need a raise.
It's like Clippy from Microsoft Word came back from the gym, jacked and full of opinions. Nvidia's stock just hit the financial version of puberty. Deep voice, tall charts, full swagger.
With some swag and romance.
Thanks to unstoppable AI chip demand, Nvidia is basically the Beyoncé of semiconductors. Microsoft, Amazon, and your cousin's crypto startup are all begging for their chips. It's so hot right now, Nvidia could probably IPO a bag of Doritos and investors would buy it. Nvidia's stock is climbing so fast it just applied for astronaut training. A new app called 2Y lets you create an AI avatar that talks, thinks, and probably rolls its eyes exactly like you. Created by a Disney actor and a Hollywood producer, because clearly the solution to deepfakes was more fake. It's meant to give you control over your digital self, though I'm still trying to control my real self from eating pizza at 3 a.m. Your AI clone might land more dates than you. It's already texting your ex. Google just dropped Gemini CLI, a new open-source AI assistant for your terminal, aka the part of your computer that still looks like the Matrix. Now, instead of Googling how to delete a folder, you can just ask your terminal like it's your slightly sarcastic coworker. It's meant to make dev workflows smoother and smarter using Gemini 1.5 Pro under the hood.
Cool.
Gemini CLI is Google's way of saying, you didn't read the manual, and now you don't have to. A new space startup, Lux Aeterna, wants to make satellites reusable, because apparently, even orbit needs a sustainability plan now.
Is that expensive?
The goal is to create spacecraft that can launch, land, and launch again, like SpaceX rockets, but for satellites. This could mean less space junk, lower launch costs, and more responsible space traffic, assuming nobody rage quits mid-orbit.
2 operational satellites, sir.
Lux Aeterna wants reusable satellites because even space is going zero waste now. Data security firm Rubrik just acquired Predibase, a startup that builds tools to help companies deploy AI agents more easily. Basically, Rubrik wants to be the cool aunt who keeps your AI safe and helps it move out of your basement.
My mom's making me clean the basement.
The move shows that protecting AI workflows is now just as important as building them, because nothing screams enterprise ready like combining machine learning with disaster recovery.
This is a disaster, Sean.
Rubrik just gave AI agents something they never had before, a backup plan. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.